أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
إن شر الدواب عند الله الذين كفروا فهم لا يؤمنون.
The worst of creatures in Allah's view are those who disbelieve. They have no faith.
الذين عاهدت منهم ثم ينقضون عهدهم في كل مرة وهم لا يتقون.
Those of them with whom you made a treaty, but they violate their agreement every time. They are not righteous.
فإما تثقفنهم في الحرب فشرد بهم من خلفهم لعلهم يذكرون.
If you confront them in battle, make of them a fearsome example for those who follow them, that they may take heed.
وإما تخافن من قوم خيانة فانبذ إليهم على سواء إن الله لا يحب الخائنين.
If you fear treachery on the part of a people, break off with them in a like manner. Allah does not like the treacherous.
ولا يحسبن الذين كفروا سبقوا إنهم لا يعجزون.
Let not the disbelievers assume that they are ahead. They will not escape.